In this video, you will learn about will. This topic is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, use will to talk about the future in a definite way. For example, I will be late tomorrow. To make predictions, for example, people will live on Mars in 2060. To make promises, for example, they will pay you tomorrow. To make on-the-spot decisions about the future while speaking, for example, I will eat pizza for lunch. For the decisions you make, for example, I will eat idli. Will is used to make an offer or to express someone's willingness to do something. For example, I will show you how to read this map. In this sentence, the speaker offers the person help to read a map. Or, they will help you with the marketing plan. Will is used to describe something the speaker thinks is true. It might not necessarily be true for everyone. For example, some people will always complain when in a queue. In this sentence, the speaker talks about a general truth about people complaining when they wait in queues. Or, they will always complain about the painters. Will is used to talk about events that happen often. For example, she will cry when you give her idli to eat. She doesn't like it. In this sentence, the girl always cries since she doesn't like idli. Or, she will take care of the children while I work. Won't is used to talk about non-living things not responding. For example, this car won't start. In this sentence, the car is not starting in spite of the person trying. Or, this door won't open, it's stuck. Shall is more formal than will. Will can be used with all pronouns. Shall should be used with the pronouns I or we. For example, fill in this form and I shall complete your reservation. Or, we shall meet you at the front desk. Shall and will are both used to talk about intentions and decisions. Now you know how to use will.